Good morning, sir. I am Kevin. I'm going to report now the Forensic 4 Week 11 assessment, the continuation of terminology concerning stroke characteristics. So let's start. So number 21, hump, the rounded outside of the top of the bed stroke, bend stroke, or curve in small letter. So that is hump. So number 22 is knob, the extra deposit of ink in the initial and terminal stroke due to the slow withdrawal of the pen from the paper, usually applicable to fountain pen. So that is knob. So number 23 is ligature or connection. What is that? The stroke is which connects two stroke of the letter. That is ligature or connection. So number 24 is long letter. So what is long letter? Those letters with both upper and lower loops. So that is long letter. So number 25 is oval. The portion of the letter which is oval in shape. That is oval. So number 26, patching. So what is patching? Retouching or going back over a defective portion of a written stroke. Careful is common defect on forgeries. So that is patching. And number 31 is pen lift. So what is pen lift? Interruption in a stroke caused by removing the writing instrument from the paper. So that is pen lift. So number 32, retrace or retracing any part of a stroke which is superimposed upon original stroke. And example, vertical strokes of a letter D and T while coming downward from the top to bottom while have a retracing stroke. So retracing, that is retracing. Number 33 is shoulder. So what is shoulder? Outside portion of the top curve seen in small letters. So that is shoulder. Number 34, spur. So what is spur? A short initial or terminal stroke. So number 35, staff. Any major long downward stroke of a letter that is long stroke or are off the letter. So that is staff. So number 36 is stem or shank. So what is that? The upper long downward stroke that is the trunk of stock, normally seen in capital letter. So that is stem or stalk. So number 37 is thick or hitch. So what is that? Any short stroke which usually occur at the top of the letters. So that is thick or hitch. 38, tremor. What is that? A writing weakness portrayed irregular, shaky strokes is described as writing tremor. That is tremor. What is whirl? The long upward stroke of a sender. And number 40 is bulbs. a small circle enclosure. So that is bulbs. And that is my report. Thank you, sir.